Welcome to a testing of Minion Despicable Me beverages and cookies. The ice cream isn't ready yet. Today we are trying lots of Minions stuff. I'm sorry I have no makeup, and I'm here with King Ghidorah, Shimo, Mothra, and Godzilla. Okay. The ice cream wasn't ready yet, but we'll try these. This is some new kind of Coca-Cola. No, not Coca-Cola. I'm sorry. It's Kinder Cola. Minions Kinder Cola. It's no caffeine, and it's with stevia, and I don't know if it's good or not. Okay, no caffeine, so it's for kids. Okay, and King Ghidorah, one of the King Ghidorah's heads here, is a child. So okay. Okay. Okay, Rick. What? It's not mental. It is not carbonated. No swear. What do you think? From 1 to 5. 5 is good, 1 is low. 4 var den så god. It's not good. It's not carbonated, so it's confusing. Okay, it's very confusing. It's not good. It's not good at all. It's really bad. It's really bad. It's not good at all. I'm sorry. It's not good. No. You can drink it. It doesn't taste like poison, but it's not good at all. It's not carbonated at all, so it's like very confusing. So don't get this one. Sorry, Kinder Cola, whatever, Minions Kinder Cola. No. And this is it's like a sticker in this one. Stickers to collect. 3D stickers. I don't know. So I guess you can collect stickers. This is what we got here. Okay. It's good. It's strawberry, raspberry flavored. It's not carbonated either, but it's much better. Okay. It was good. It was good. It's like a saft. In Sweden we call it saft. It's like a like a soft drink that's not carbonated. Saft. Lemonade. Juice. Well, I don't know what you call saft in other countries. I don't care. Okay, and and here is the like cookies. It's cookies.
Small cookies.
It should be stickers in it, and it's like this one. Okay. Okay, there's like small packages like this. It's cute. Is it stickers in there?
Bon appetit. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Okay, like a small chocolate cookie like this. It's okay. 3 or 5. Okay. He thinks it's okay.
This is yours.
Yeah, they were okay. They were
Let
the
me
stickers.
down.
It's a couple like this is like how many in 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think it was 8 cookies in it. And there's a sticker. No, but it was like this. The cookies were the best, and we like this one too. It was good. It was good. And then so it was a cute cat, and hey, look this. Look this. No. Okay. And this one, they need to go. The ice cream is not ready yet. It's not. You have to put it in the freezer yourself, and it's not ready yet. So, this one was. It's a cute can, but no, nope. Yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes. Nope. Okay. So, okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye. Oh.